Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your data with Pipedrive, beginner guide step by step clearly. To protect your data with Pipedrive, start by logging into your Pipedrive account. Next, navigate to the settings menu. Look for the privacy and security section. Here, you can configure various security settings relevant to your account. Enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security. Follow the on-screen instructions to set this up. Regularly update your password to keep your account secure. Choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols. Next, review user permissions if you are part of a team. Ensure that each user has appropriate access based on their role. Consider limiting data exports to safeguard sensitive information. You can do this by adjusting permissions under the user settings. Periodically audit your integrations with third-party applications. Remove any that you no longer use or don't fully trust. Pipedrive also provides data encryption for added security. Familiarize yourself with how this feature protects your information. Make sure your software is up to date for the best security practices. Pipedrive frequently releases updates that enhance security features. Educate your team on best practices for data protection. Encourage them to be cautious with emails and links that may lead to phishing attempts. Lastly, regularly back up your data within Pipedrive. You can do this through the export feature available in the settings. With these steps, your data within Pipedrive will be better protected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.